Hello you movers and welcome back from the York Lane Experience store. The biggest question that I'm being asked at the moment is what is the difference in the Gocycles? We have the G4 and the G4i in store. So the G4, it's 3,400, the G4i is 4,500. In terms of spec, the G4, it has a 300 kilowatt hour battery. It's about 50 kilometers give or take. There's 3 manual gears, lovely LED on the middle and has phone charging. There's that little clean drive system on it. Under 18 kilos and folds down in 10 seconds. The G4i, it has automatic gearing on it. It has a 375 watt hour battery. It has a beautiful daytime running light bar along the front, tells you your percentages as well. It has the carbon mid-frame on it as well. So a few differences with the G4i. The best way to find out is come in and take one out for an experience, right? Feel the difference between the manual and automatic gear. We can do these bikes for under £5 a day with Bike Flex, so if you're interested, call in and let us know.